Hey there! Are those notification badges on your Xiaomi Redmi phone driving you crazy? Well, today I've got you covered with a simple guide to turn them off for good. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right into the process. First, grab your Xiaomi device and open the Settings app on it. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications and Control Center. Then, find and tap on Badges. Now, toggle off the apps for which you don't want to see notification badges. And that's it. From now on, when you receive notifications from those apps, you won't see those pesky little badges. So, there you have it. That's how you disable app icon notification badges on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Interested in more Xiaomi tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.